Hello! Sorry I haven't been able to post a video for several months. I'm actually, I just moved to a new apartment. I've been working part-time only now, while studying to get certified to work in a new job, which I think will be much better than the job I originally moved here for. But anyway, I work entirely online, so having my job and my hobbies revolving around my computer means that having a functional computer is extremely important. However, I discovered a few days ago that, I don't know if you can see how well you can see that bulge there? That is my battery expanding inside my computer. As you can see, look at the lip of the touchpad. Man, there's a lot of dust on it. See how it's higher on the right side? Even shows in the... See, it's flat there, it bulges there. So what's happened is that either the battery's been overcharged or one of the safety features is malfunctioning and it's caused the electrodes in it to oxidize. And that oxidation has produced a byproduct of hydrogen gas, which is filling the sealed compartment of that battery. And laptops are designed to be very space efficient. So there's no room in that casing for that battery to expand. So it's just bulging out on both sides. I don't know if you can really see it that much here on the back, but there's definitely a bulge here as well. I can feel it. So this is actually extremely dangerous. My computer could actually catch on fire because of this if the battery safety features are failing. Plus it's full of a volatile gas. Man, I need to take a Q-tip this thing or something. So, I thought I'd make a quick, interesting video to tear down this laptop and replace the battery. Alright, so I'm going to get set up, and I'll edit out most of this so it's not really long and boring. You can see why this apartment was so much cheaper than my old one, because it's near a railroad crossing, so I hear freight trains several times a day. So I'm all ready to move, but I'll be able to afford something really nice once I finish my last certification. I've done 3 Cisco certifications so far. Still got 1 more to go. Alright, I've never torn apart this particular model, so I'm not sure if I have to take off. I probably have to take off these rubber plugs. I'm gonna have, unscrewing it's not that bad. The hard part is, oh boy, this, oh no, my screw won't fit in that hole. Oh no, screwdriver won't fit down there. I didn't expect this. I'm gonna have to go find some other tools. I'll be right back. Well, this is awkward. None of my repair kits and other tool kits would fit, had a screwdriver bit that would fit these particular holes in this computer. So I had to run out to an auto parts store and buy a new screwdriver. So, back to my mission. Whoops. Hello everyone. Alright. And there's my RAM. That's my RAM. Should be 2 sticks of 8 gigabytes. Ta-da! Alright. Now, how do I get this casing apart? Is that supposed to be the lip here, this line here, or is that just a curve in the plastic? There's nothing I can even get my fingernail in. Well, it's taken a lot of effort, a lot of finagling, but this thing is the finest seam I've ever seen in a laptop. It's very difficult to get out these clips, but I'm working at it. Ugh, so dusty. I'm gonna take this opportunity to spray it up with compressed air once I get this thing open. But first, let's get that battery out. I'll show you what it looks like when it's all swollen up and compare it with a good battery. Alright. Come on. I'm gonna... Yeah, it looks like I'm performing surgery with all these clamps. Yeah, well, they look like surgical clamps. They're pry bars. I broke one of my pry bars trying to get this thing open. Oh, there it goes. There we are. Got it. All right. Just gotta keep going. Oh, it's not. Ow. Yeah. Always good to double check in case there's a screw you miss. But so much dust. Aha! Beautiful! So, this is what an HP Omen 17T200 looks like on the inside. And that's the swollen battery. Here's my hard drive, which I'm also going to replace soon. And this thing's not as bad as I thought, but yeah, I definitely need to clean out this dust. Oops. Alright. So, I'm going to take out the battery, and then I'm going to grab some compressed air. Alright, you just sit right back up there. Ooh. Alright. And boom. You're free, you're free. And so, now I can finally compare. This is the good battery, and this is the swollen battery. So, look at that. Look at that. You can definitely see the increase in volume. It's flat, puffy. This is literally a ticking time bomb. Something else could go wrong, causes the rupture, and then it's just all downhill from there. Just put them like this, and you can really see it. See, look at that. Alright, I've just been giving my computer a cleaning. You don't want to let the cooling fan spin like that when you blow it. Just hold it in place, move it around. And the thing gets really cold due to Boyle's law. Look, I'll get this straw back on later. Alright, so I got this on. I'm going to just put the casing loosely on it and try powering it up. Right. Yep, looks like it's working. I see a battery icon. Yep, it's